In the FINAT committee, there is a special committee taking care or being responsible for recycling and these type of subjects. And last year they decided they wanted to start a recycling award. They came to me if I wanted to be the chairman of the jury. So that is my involvement in it. We concluded that the amount of waste ending up in the marketplace from the self-adhesive industry could be a threat for this industry, because it was clear that the packaging that we brought in the marketplace, that the industry was responsible for that packaging materials and for the resulting waste of that material. In FINAT, we had at that moment, we had a small organization that were laminators, that was called EPSMA. And in the EPSMA, it was decided we wanted to do something with that waste in the marketplace. There are two big groups. And that one group is the liner material, at that moment mainly paper, and the other group is the matrix waste coming free from the label converters. So that is an ever-sticking material with 20% of that ever-sticking material. So what can you do with it? All that materials, altogether around 600, 700,000 tons, ended up in landfill at that time. So it was destroyed. We did nothing with that. The fibers that were used for the paper material, that were new fibers, fresh fibers of an excellent quality.
The brand owner who buys the pressure-sensitive label, he generates waste. Now, the waste that the brand owner generates is what we call release liner. We actually call it spent liner. What does he do with it? Is it collected and recycled? Because in all cases, silicone-coated glassine, silicone-coated polyester and or polypropylene liners are recyclable. But does the brand owner know it? And in many cases, if he does know it, he doesn't do anything about it. Does the converter know it? Does the converter offer any kind of solution to his customer, the brand owner? There are solutions out there like liner recycling. So glad there are actually very good solutions in Europe that are occurring today, both with paper and with filmic release liners. Are people participating? I've got to tell you, no, they're not. But the solutions are out there. So if we say to the brand owner, we have a solution, it's a FINAT solution or a TLMI solution, then I think we've really gone in the right direction to make us a more sustainable industry. To me, it's a wonderful sales tool if you can tell your customer, I can help you with your liner recycling. I don't dispose of my matrix. I send stuff back to my suppliers. I'm landfill free, and I use benign technology.
The last years, we are in Europe, we are on a recycling rate of 71 to 73% of the total consumed paper that's going in the marketplace. So we are champion in the world in Europe. And we do that also with a link to the European Parliament. We need to do our part. It's not necessary to reach 70%. They don't look per category, but we need to do something. That is what I promote. What I show here, that is the Bible for the recycled paper industry. So the collectors use this booklet with the different fractions of paper that are available in the marketplace. And the only thing what we need to do now, and what we can do, that is promoting and asking people to take part in this system and to do what they need to do. We can't throw it away anymore. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
It is very important for us to see that the recognition of our efforts in recycling. It has never been done before, and we were the first to do it in the current plant. And before that, we were just throwing it away as waste, and now we are recycling the 50 tons per year.
And how is UPM Raflatec involved in this story?
We collect Leerdammer's glassine liner and we send it to UPM Plattling, where we desiliconize the material, make it to pulp, and then ultimately produce magazine paper from that pulp.
Yeah, my role was first to analyze our waste stream, and based on the different aspects of the different sorts of waste, I had to find a solution for it.
Zelfetiket in Austria.